Hello, my name is Antonio Dacuna. It is the 21st of November, and this is my model of the thoracic cavity for the purpose of demonstrating pulmonary ventilation. So, starting here anatomically at the superior end, we have the trachea, which feeds into the primary bronchi, which feed respectively the right and left lungs, which are bordered superiorly by the chest wall and inferiorly by the diaphragm. And these two body parts are innervated by efferent nerves. These are intercostal nerves, which innervate the intercostal muscles in the chest wall. And these are phrenic nerves, which innervate the diaphragm. And basically how the system works is the nerves stimulate the muscles to contract, and then the nerve stimulation stops, and the muscles relax. And this phase of contraction and relaxation increases and decreases the pressure in the lungs above and below pressure outside the lungs, which allows air to flow in and out of the lungs and creates pulmonary ventilation, so when you breathe in and out. And how this basically works is by Boyle's law. When the nerves stimulate the muscles and the muscles contract, the thoracic cavity expands, the lungs increase in volume, and by Boyle's law, an increase in volume causes a decrease in pressure. So the pressure in the lungs decreases below the pressure outside the lungs, which causes air to flow into the lungs because air moves from high to low pressure. And then during exhalation, the nerve stimulation stops, these muscles relax, and they go back to the former positions, causing the volume of the lungs to decrease. By Boyle's law again, a decrease in volume induces the increase in pressure. So the increased pressure in the lungs causes air to flow back out of the lungs. And that's exhalation. So I'll give a little example how this works with the model. So you have, so right now what you're seeing is the end of inhalation. As you see, the muscles are fully stimulated and they've contracted outwards, increasing the volume, decreasing the pressure, and causing air to flow into the lungs. So what I'm showing you now is the process of exhalation, which is the nerve stimulation pauses, the muscles relax back in, the chest wall closes in, the diaphragm closes in, and that causes the volume to increase. Or no, the volume to decrease, the pressure to increase, which causes air to flow back out of the lungs, out of the body. And then the cycle repeats, and you have inhalation, so nerve stimulation, diaphragm down, intercostal muscle stimulated, chest wall out, increase in volume, decrease in pressure, and air flows back in. And this cycle repeats and repeats, giving you the ability to breathe.